Hey guys, so I want to film a video for you guys today about just a recipe that I really like using. Get my single wall portafilter. I have my my dosing funnel, so I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, but hopefully it's not too weird. Try to not make this video too long. Let's get that out of the way. Dosing funnel goes on like that. I have to lock it. I already have my grinder setting for around 18 grams. So no mess, as you can see. A little bit of clumps in there. Not too big of a deal. Get those sorted out. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. Just unlock it. Unlock my dosing funnel. It's that easy. Kind of cup everything towards the middle here. Try to not lose too many grounds. Okay, have my distribution tool. Turn a couple times clockwise. I do get grounds like in the side. I like to just scrape it like that. Have it all fall on in the basket. So that's that. Get my tamper out. Right. Just press evenly. Turn a couple times. Set that in there. Lock it. Pour my shots in here. This is my stand. Here, let's do this. I already have my milk with my ice ready. I'm gonna be making like an iced drink today. I'll go into the ingredients in just a second. But for now, let's measure out about 40 grams. Let's go to grams. So that's zeroed out. So what I like to use is Dulce De Leche or cajeta. It's like a sweet, like milk-based caramel, kind of like condensed milk, but it has like this caramel thing. It's like, it's hard to describe, but I'm gonna be using the actual stuff from Mexico. Traditional Mexican right here. And it's fucking delicious. But this is really, really good too. Comes close. This is at Walmart, the Hispanic aisle for you guys, so pause the video, use this one. So around the same taste, but this one is just, you can't beat it. Every time my dad goes, he brings like a whole box of this stuff back. It's amazing. So I'll be putting out around like 40 grams. Let's do that. So we'll do 40 grams. Whoops. So I'm at like 50. I mean, it's fine. It's no big deal. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't really close it right now, so we'll just set this to the side. Right there. You can see the one in the back that you guys need your hands on. And let's pour this shot. So I like to pull like a 1 to 2, 2 to 1 or 2.2 to 1. So let's check the pressure. Pressure's decent, pretty good. It's already programmed, so it'll go by time. So I like to time it with the pre-infusion. I like to time it with the pre-infusion. I know it's kind of a fast shot. I still have to dial in a little bit longer. But just look at the crema. I should get a better shot glass, to be honest. So let's mix this up. I'm almost tempted to just drink this like this, you know? Sip this for a couple hours. Wouldn't that be something? This is hard. Normally would be going faster, but... Oh my gosh. It smells amazing. Oh shoot. That's not good. I don't want to waste any of it. This is like an elixir. It's my girlfriend's mug right there, by the way. Where I make her lattes in the morning. Got some beans for guests. I get the good stuff. Okay, let's bring this down. I have exactly 5 ounces of milk with ice cubes. That's just the way I do it. So that's what it looks like now. Wow. I should get a Barista spoon. You know, those swirly ones, really long ones. That'd be better. But that's the drink, guys. That's my Dulce De Leche cajeta based iced coffee that I drink in the morning. That's what I use. This is what you guys should get. Because getting your hands on this would be really, really hard. Try it. It's amazing. See ya. Subscribe.